Power BI is Microsoft's interactive platform for business intelligence, reporting, and visualization. The best advantage of Power BI is it's an ecosystem within itself. From sourcing your data from different data sources and connectors, to massaging and modeling the data, to visualizing reports, and to sharing those reports to end users. As powerful as Excel has been through the years, Power BI is still ways ahead when it comes to efficiency, processing time, and just the sheer power of its extensive features. Power BI reports and dashboards are more aesthetically pleasing, interactive, and flexible to changes. It provides more data modeling capabilities than Excel could ever offer. The primary advantage of Power BI over Tableau is ease of use. Since most of business and end users are more familiar with Microsoft technologies, Power BI tends to be more familiar and more easy to learn. Although Tableau has more capabilities when it comes to processing larger volumes of data, well, not everyone needs or uses large volume of data. So for the most part, Power BI is the most cost-effective. Power BI can accommodate an array of data sources like flat files, Excel spreadsheets, databases, APIs, data lakes, data warehouse, just to name a few. For sure, it's very much compatible with Microsoft and Azure technologies, but it can also handle third-party technologies from companies like Google, Oracle, IBM, etc.